I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I am removing the set off my Pooch's practice hand. So if you want to see how I do it, then just please go ahead and stay tuned. First off, before removing any nail acrylic, gel, whatever enhancement you have, you should always go ahead and remove any stones, because if you're going to come in with your EFILE, you do not want them flying around the place. One, it could really do some serious damage. Two, you could blind yourself. Three, just don't do it, okay? It's not acceptable. So I'm coming in with my outer space nippers from Glitter Planet, and I have two sets. One set I'll use for trimming any excess skin or cuticle area, and the other set I use purely for removing crystals and 3D art. So I'm coming in with the 4 extra coarse smooth top bit from Glitter Planet, and these are available in singles now as well as the essentials kit, but I'm showing you here exactly how long it took me in real time to remove the acrylic design. So this is all I'm going to be doing in this video, so if you want to obviously see how it works, then keep watching and I'll be back a little bit later on. Okay guys, so I'm almost finished. Once I've removed all of the excess acrylic with my EFILE, I'll come in with my hand files, remove any extra just around the cuticle area, the side walls, do any refining of the shape, and then we're ready for a new set. I just peeled that bit off there because I wanted to see the lifting, but it snapped the tip, so I'll just put a new one on and ready for a new set later on. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and that will be the final result for this video. We're basically ready for a new set on my practice hand. So yeah, super simple, easy, quick video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it a little bit. It was nothing too interesting, but I thought that it was necessary to demonstrate to you guys how the bit worked in real time and how you can file off your design. So the next removal on this hand will be a soak off, so if you're interested in that, then keep a lookout. Thank you for watching, and please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.